ट्रम्प ने H1B वीजा पॉलिसी में मेजर चेंज किया है एंड लेट्स डिस्कस व्हाट इट कुड मीन फॉर इंडियन IT सेक्टर. So basically, new H1B visa applications will now attract $1 lakh fee which will be effective from Sunday and will only affect the new applicants. So for knowing about the impact of this move, Indian IT sector is a $283 billion industry और IT का 57% revenue सीधा US से आता है. And India gets 71% of all the H1B visas which will hit the traditional model, and Indian firms that used to send staff to US for on-site work, they will now hesitate before sending anyone. And now companies are likely to increase offshore delivery from India. They will try to boost local hiring in US and use H1B visas only for critical roles. अगर बात करें शॉर्ट टर्म इफेक्ट्स की, so this could lead to project delays, margin pressures हो सकते हैं, workforce planning challenges and legal challenges could also occur. But in long term, we can expect a shift in strategy as GCCs in India are growing and US companies are expanding their operations in India. अगर stock impact की बात करें तो companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, all of them may face short-term pressure, but with strong fundamentals, they can survive. So comment below and tell us what do you think. Will this policy stay permanent or legal challenges will win?